All right, guys, I finally made it down to one of the Tesla dealers in my area, and I got a chance to check out the 2024 Tesla Model 3 Performance. So as soon as I got there, I jumped in the car and I went straight to the dynamic mode and look at the race settings and things like that. So pretty cool, straight to the point. This car is actually really cool in the settings. My Model Y is still on 11.1 and this car is on 12. So you can see there the ludicrous badge or insane badge. And I'll talk about that in a minute because it's actually textured. It's really nice. But I checked out the seats and I was like, wow, these seats are super comfortable, man. I mean, they really hug you and they just feel really, really good in sitting in comparison to my other Model 3, the regular version. Now, I do have a dislike about these seats and I'm glad I did not get white. In person, the white looks dirty, and it's only because of the perforated seats where it has ventilated. They look dirty at every angle, and I'm glad I did not get white. I got the black interior, and I'm happy about that. Now, aside from that, this car is very nice. It looks like a Model 3, just with some upgrades. So this is my first time seeing one in person and getting in one and sitting in one and just completely checking it out. But the wheels are really nice. You can actually remove all of those little covers there and it'll be a nice little custom wheel, but the backside looks really cool with the words Tesla spelled out. And this insane badge or performance badge here, it's textured and it's also blue no matter what color car you get. So that's kind of a bummer. I wish it was like just black, but I try to get every angle and I think it's a really nice looking vehicle. You got the 275, 30, 20 on the rear. And it has 19s on the front. And those are P0s. And man, I gotta tell you, this thing is probably gonna sit down and haul butt. I know it will. So again, I took a look at the back seats again with the white, and I was just like, I just can't. I'm glad I didn't get white. The screen in the back, I totally forgot about that because I won't sit in the back very often. I probably won't have any backseat passengers at all, but maybe my grandkids might jump in there one day and they'll enjoy that. But the trunk is still a Model 3 trunk. It is nice and spacious. And it has all the room you could possibly need. So this was a quick look at the 2024 Performance Model 3. I can't wait to get mine. And I didn't even know they had this. And I just happened to go down there for something else. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed. And if you got this color, it's a beautiful color. But I'm ultra red. See you in the next one. Take care.